everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make this 7-strand bracelet. For this project you're going to need 7 different colours of yarn, a cardboard circle cutout. The diameter needs to be around 10 to 15 centimetres. You're going to want to mark a centre point on your circle and then 8 lines with even sections around the edge. We're then going to take our scissors and cut 1 centimetre to 2 centimetres along our lines, as you see me doing here. Now, when we were doing our sections before, you don't have to measure it all out exactly. It doesn't have to be 100% precise. Now, with that mark in the middle, we're now going to make that into a hole. Now once your cardboard circle is ready to use, you can put that down, and then out of your 7 yarns you want to cut 60 to 70 centimetres of each colour. We're then going to take one end of our yarn strands and we're going to push them through that centre hole in the cardboard, and then we're just going to tie them into a standard knot. Now once you've tied your knot, you want to pull your yarn back through so the knot is just on the other side of our hole in the centre. We're then going to go ahead and section our yarn strands and just pop them into those little cuts in the cardboard that we made earlier. So now that everything's sectioned off properly, we can start going ahead and building our pattern. So to start our pattern, where the empty slit is, we're going to count 2 yarns across, move the 3rd yarn and move it over into the empty slot. Then again, go to the empty slot, count 2 spaces over, and again move the 3rd yarn over, and just keep on repeating that process. So empty slot, miss 2 strands of yarn, move the 3rd piece over. Now when we're rotating our circle and creating our pattern, with our other hand we're not using, we want to make sure that we're holding the back part of the yarn nice and tight so our pattern sits really nice and neat. Now it is a bit of a lengthy process, but as you keep on going you'll start to see your pattern forming on your yarn strand. Now you just want to keep on going until you're happy with the length of your yarn. you're happy with the length that you've created, what you're going to do is just pinch at the top of your pattern so we don't lose it, and take all of the sections out of the cardboard, and then we're going to pull all of the yarn through. Then again, that end we're just going to tie in a simple knot and cut off the excess yarn. There we go, now we've finished our pattern. Now there's lots of things you can do with this. You can make it longer and make a keychain. You can add it to a clip to put into your hair. You can add it as a bracelet. I mean, the possibilities are endless with this one.